In the name of fear, hate, and destruction, I prepare to anoint my spirit with this royal blood.
Forged in the fires of hell.
So, Lionheart, you think to deny my destiny?
Seal it!
Banished from the sight of man. Now, he has crossed into our world to reclaim his power.
I know what you are, and I know why you are here.
Chuck Norris is Shatter, bound to uncover more than a secret.
Please. The man that was murdered last night on Polanski Street was a rabbi.
There's 8 dead bodies in here. 8 holy men.
Bound to bring back more than a killer.
According to the myth, the scepter was broken into 9 sections.
What kind of man kills like this?
We'll know soon enough.
Bound to face the most terrifying enemy he has ever known.
The scepter is the key to the gates of hell.
Who was it that ripped the heart right out of his chest?
Have you any idea who I am?
Let me introduce myself.